Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kelsey. It's so nice to meet you. Let's be friends. Click that red subscribe button down below and my socials will be linked right here. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a dorm haul. So over the past few weeks, I've been collecting a few things, and obviously when I moved out of my house into my boyfriend's house, I did get a lot of things that I'd be needing to move out anyways, but these are just some things that I didn't have that I thought I might need for my dorm, and especially since I can decorate my room now, I kind of went a little overboard, but it's okay. So, we are just going to hop right into the video. Okay, so let's talk about the things that I think are going to be essential this year. I'm obviously an incoming freshman. I have no idea what NAU is going to bring or what things I'm going to have to go out and buy because I forgot last minute. But these are some things that my friends who are upperclassmen told me I should probably get. So the first thing is going to be big Ziploc bags, and that's only because I don't have a waterproof backpack and I don't have a waterproof laptop case, so if it were to start pouring, I am just gonna put all of my like my laptop, my notebooks, all of my school supplies in one of the big bags and then just zip it up and put it in my backpack, get to class. But to go along with that, I have a mini umbrella that I got from IKEA, which was $3, so I'm just gonna keep this on the side of my backpack because it has a little bit of a water bottle pocket, so I'll just keep my umbrella in the little water bottle pocket. The next thing I think is going to be essential is a Brita, because I hear the water up at NAU is not the best, so I'll probably just stick one of these in the fridge, and yeah. So I am a business major. I'm a business marketing major with a minor in advertising, and I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of presentations, so I figure to get a mini steamer versus getting a huge iron and ironing board that I'm probably never gonna use, but a mini steamer is gonna come in handy because I obviously won't have time to wash all my clothes all the time or like iron them, go to like a laundromat and like wash them and iron them, so it'll be helpful to have a mini steamer. The next thing I think is going to be essential is a laundry bag. So this is a little $2 one that I got from IKEA. It's a 16-gallon laundry bag, and I can just fit a ton of clothes in it, and it'll be a lot better than me lugging around a big old like basket like that. The next thing I think is going to be essential is a bathrobe that is a towel, because I don't like the very fluffy bathrobes, and I have communal bathrooms, so I'm going to be walking to and from my bathroom all the time, so I just thought, let's get a bathrobe. I also think that surge protectors are really important because honestly, I plug in a lot of things, and having more than one of these is probably going to be best because I'll have one for behind my bed, then I can just have extension cords that run up my bed, and then have one behind my desk so I can just plug in against the wall. It'll be really helpful to just have surge protectors. Okay, so now let's move on to bedding things. So I got these microfiber sheets from Walmart. They were $10. They're wrinkle resistant. They're just, I needed sheets for my bed, and these are twin XL because I don't know if you know, but all of the dorms at NAU have twin XL beds. I also got some cushion covers for my bed, and I'm probably not going to use all of the cushion covers. I'll probably just use like 2 of them, but I got extras just in case, because what I like to do is I have a little pillow and then I'll set my plate on top of the pillow and then eat like that because it's more comfortable. So in case I spill anything, I have extra covers. And then I have, oh, these are clothing covers, so after I steam my clothes I can put them in a clothing cover and then have them hung up, so that way like won't get any hair on it or whatever. My clothes will just be like protected and nice for the business days that I have to do. I also got a duvet cover because my duvet isn't the cutest, so I'll cover it up with one of these bad boys. So that's all I have for my bedding. Okay. And then I also bought some sponges because I have dishes that I got from Target. So I'm gonna need sponges, gonna need it for my dishes to wash them, obviously. Next, we're gonna dive into this basket that I have. So in here, I have a mini air conditioner. You're not allowed to bring air conditioning units to the dorms because they probably use up a lot of power and whatever. So I just bought this really cute little mini air conditioner. All you have to do is fill it up with water or ice cubes, and it keeps your room really cold. I tested it out the other day just to see if it would work, and it works really well. So I got a mini air conditioner. I also have my MacBook case, and then it has a cute little pocket where I can fit all of my chargers and portable chargers in here. So for my closet area, I actually bought a tapestry because instead of hanging it on the wall, I kind of want to cover up the like mess that's going to be in my closet. So I bought this really cute like pink mandala tapestry, and I'll insert a picture right here of what it's supposed to look like on as a curtain. And this way it's more of a functional tapestry, and I can like open my curtains and stuff like that. So I thought this was really cute. And then this is the reason I have a bunch of pink in my room. I'm normally not a pink person, but I thought this was really cute. And yeah, so now my dorm room theme is like pink and white and silver. Next, I just have this like wooden crate thing, and next I just have this wooden crate thing that I am gonna just use for like books or binders, and then keep this under my desk. But I am also going to attach this little mirror that I got from IKEA onto it because you can't drill holes into the wall, and I thought this was a standalone mirror, so I just figured I can, you know, put this, attach it probably this way. I'll attach it to the crate, and then I have a mirror. And then I have more bowls from Target, which were 89 cents. They just wouldn't fit in the box because I'm packing these, so I'm trying to like fit it all around. And I also, from Target, I got these cups. I got a knife from IKEA so that way I can just chop stuff up. I got a can opener because otherwise I'm going to try, so I was sitting in IKEA and I was just like, you know what do I need? I need a can opener because otherwise I'm gonna try to take this knife and figure out a way to open a can instead of me just walking over to Target and buying a can opener. I was gonna use a knife and do some dumb crap. I also bought some silverware from IKEA. And then I have this pink Yeti that I got from TJ Maxx. It's like an off-brand Yeti thing, but it'll still work. It's like a coffee cup, and I thought it was really cute. It matches the little like accents on my backpack, so I decided to get it. And it is coral pink, and I say that I'm not crazy about pink, but most of my room stuff is pink, so.
And that's on being half a girl and half a bruh girl.
So yeah, I got this really cute cup, and I like to drink coffee and tea in the morning, so when I'm walking to my first class, my 8 a.m., then I'll just make some coffee, whip it up, and then put her in here, and then I will have coffee. So yeah, I'll insert a picture of my backpack to show you what it looks like. It is about, I want to say $86, but with tax it's $96. So, and that's from Dick's Sporting Goods. I'll have the link in the description if you want to check out the backpack I got. I also got these really cute lights from Target. I thought they were a lot bigger than they are, and I was just gonna hang them up, string them around my closet with command hooks, and then like use it as a light if it's dark. And you know, like, well, obviously it's a light, but if they don't like reach for whatever reason, then I'll just put these loop them around my desk. So yeah, I got really cute lights. And then from IKEA I got more inners for the cushions, so I just got a bunch of those, and that is all that is in the basket. And then up here I have a trash can that I got from Walmart. It was like $3. Totally go get yourself one because I've had this one for about a month now. This is when I moved into my boyfriend's house. I bought a trash can, but that's why, yeah. But it's really, like, it's a pretty good size for a trash can. It's so I have a trash can. I'll probably buy a bigger one when I'm up there. And then I also bought a mattress topper. This mattress topper is from Amazon, and I did a bunch of research on like what mattress topper is the best for a cheapest price because I'm in college now, so I'm a broke bitch. But yeah, so I bought this mattress topper. I'll have the link in the description, and I'll probably put a picture of what it looks like right here. And then I got these really cute plants and then a little watering can just for decor because that's just who I am. So yeah, I got these really cute plants and the mattress topper, and I also got, oh god, I got this really pretty macrame wall hanging thing, and I thought I could just hang this up over my bed because it's really boho and kind of cute, and it'll match the like pink and like white and like greenery type of vibe. So yeah, I'm also debating on getting a neon sign, but do I really need to spend my money? I don't know. Probably I'll spend my money, but we're not going to talk about that. Shh. So this is the very last thing that I got, and it was from TJ Maxx, and it's really cute, and it was $13. It's this little jewelry hanger thing. I have a lot of jewelry. I have to put the rest on it, but I just figure I'm probably going to grab some more jewelry before I go up to NAU, and it'll be really convenient for me to have a jewelry hanger versus me just throwing them all into a drawer that I don't have yet. So yeah, I'm also going to be adding a few more things. I still have to go shopping for a few more things, but this is just the majority of my haul. It's really small. I also have a shoe rack and then some little cube dividers that I'm going to be using, but when I moved into my boyfriend's house, I really just, I did a lot of my shopping then for the dorm, so it's not like I had to do a bunch of shopping. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next Monday.